Hello, this video explains the season for CAPSIM 2023 round 6. We are setting the season for R&D, research and development, the first decision table. We update performance and size of each product, increase performance and reduce size. For round 6, we are leading the game with top sales and profit, so just keep updating the product as usual. We have added 3 new products, so we have 8 products altogether. So you can check the revision date to make sure our product launches the same year of round 6. And now for the marketing table, we reduce the price by 50 cents, half a dollar for each product to maintain the product competitiveness. And we do that for all the 8 products. And we calculate the sales forecast, based on the career report of round 5. So we open the career report of round 5 to check the to see the number of the units sold from last round, and also we see the inventories. We use the Excel file to calculate sales forecast for round 6, and then we input the sales forecast into the marketing table as you are seeing on the screen. We can add about 10% in sales focus to avoid stop out. And we input for all the 8 product sales forecast. And now we move to the production decision tables. This is advanced marketing, so we see some different table for marketing decisions. So just this is round 6, also 6, 7, 8. We have 3 rounds left, so we use max spending for print media and direct mail, and also we leave web media and email and trade shows for round 7 and round 8. We spend about 300. Again, this screen is for advanced marketing. If you have a simple marketing, it is just use 1,400 for all the 8 products for promotion and sales. And it is quite different, so we use as you are on the screen to set for spending for outside sales, inside sales and distributor. And for time allocation, we use about 12% for each product. We have 8 products, so we use around 12%. And you see for the 8 human resource, we use 5,000 for recruitment and 80 hours for training. This screen's finance, this is round 6, so we can start buying back the stocks and pay some dividends. For example, $1 dividend per share to increase our stock price and earning per share EPS, right? And also we can see that this is round 6 to make sure that we avoid emergency loan, so we still use the long-term debt 50,000 just to make sure that we avoid emergency loans in any case. Yeah, you can use 10 or 20, it's okay. And this is the total quality management TQM table. We use 1,000 for each of the 10 initiative TQM initiatives from round 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? 4 consecutive rounds. Next round we also use TQM, right? And also we check the finally we check the performer income, so we get 367 million, and also contribution margin of 112 and net profit of 47. So it is quite good result. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.